Welcome back. Next, we're diving into the world of adhesives, products that help hold our lives together. From everyday consumer products to high-tech industrial solutions, Henkel's LOCTITE Pulse is revolutionizing industrial maintenance with real-time monitoring of equipment from anywhere around the world. Let's catch up now with Tom Buckley from Henkel.
In industrial manufacturing and process industries, there was a big maintenance challenge with vibrational loosening of mechanical fasteners. And LOCTITE branded thread lockers were created to solve that challenge. And that helped customers go from a reactive maintenance to a more preventative maintenance style so they could extend the life of their equipment and extend the time between the failures. What's driven us to move towards smart technology is that we want to now monitor those pieces of equipment so that we can move from preventative to predictive. And what we've done with our smart technology is to use sensors and data analytics so that we can catch those failures early or even predict some of the common failures before so that you can plan your maintenance procedures out ahead of time. Sensors will collect data about your critical assets. And it will look at the data over time. And when it sees a problem in the data, it will start to predict what the failure is and what the solution could be. We have a web-based app which shows you the raw data, shows you the trends, but then interprets it for you. And then there's a piece of IoT equipment which is collecting the data and sending the data to the cloud. And so we will typically be monitoring your equipment 24/7, sending the data as needed to the app so you can see it. The last part of the installation is you setting up your plant on our LOCTITE Pulse app so that you can see where your sensors are, which pieces of equipment have it, and then you'll be able to immediately find the failure when it happens on the app because it will tell you with your equipment's name, your building names, and you can target where that failure came.
LOCTITE Pulse enhances plant efficiency by detecting failures early, reducing downtime, and improving overall safety.
Henkel's LOCTITE Pulse is a suite of solutions in IoT or in Internet of Things. And so we have a rotating equipment monitoring solution, which uses vibration and ultrasound and a host of other sensing parameters. We're able to recognize patterns and see failures much sooner than you could with a walk-around inspection or waiting for the failure. We also have a solution called Smart Flange, which is a leak detection sensor package. And so the Smart Flange solution has a sensor that reacts to liquid hydrocarbons. So this is a solution that's really important in the oil and gas industry. And when a leak happens, the sensor will alert you right away. And typically these flanges and pipes are in really tough areas to get to. They could be wrapped in insulation. So a leak can start and go for days or weeks and even months before it's even noticed. So the LOCTITE Pulse sensor will catch that leak and we'll be able to alert somebody in real time and they can react to it quickly before the big spill happens. And then the third solution that we have is called Smart Steam Trap. This is a solution that's monitoring steam traps in a steam system, which are a device that help take condensate out of the steam system and make it run more efficiently. Because it's very difficult to see that a steam trap is broken. And the issue that we see with it is if the steam trap has failed, it can be releasing a lot of steam and the boiler system has to generate more to keep up. And that's a really big inefficiency from an overall energy point of view. And from a sustainability point of view, also hurts on the CO2 footprint of the plant. Henkel's LOCTITE Pulse solutions are targeting overall plant efficiency and trying to keep equipment running and prevent catastrophic failures. Catching these failures early so that you can plan the maintenance, have the right people and the right equipment there, and do it as efficiently as possible. With this type of data, a customer can prepare in a much better way. They can do the repair quicker, more efficiently, and in a safer way. And overall, that's going to save time and money when it relates to the maintenance effort, but also plant downtime, which is the big topic. Henkel has a technical support team that's there from installation all the way through to maintenance of your assets. That relationship is important to us, and we're there with you every step of the way using LOCTITE brand solutions and LOCTITE Pulse.